Alright, let's look at the homework 9.2, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find the k value so that f is the probability density function. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so between 0 and 1, we know that this function seems to be non-negative, so it satisfies the first condition. But the second condition is the one that gives you the clue to find the value of k. Right, so we have to make sure that the integral of this function from 0 to 1. Right, so I'm going to actually rewrite a little bit here. So you have a k is just a constant, so I'm going to pull it out. Right, then you have a 5 times square root of x is 5x to the 1/2 power. Right, minus, right, x times square root of x would be x to the 3/2 power. Right, and we're going to do that with respect to x. Right, so this is going to be equal to k times, right, so 5 is just a constant here. I add 1 to the power, so it's going to be 3/2 power. Divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. Right, so minus, and add 1 to the power, so it's going to be 5/2. And divide by 5/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/5. Right, then we are going from 0 to 1. Right. Let's plug it in. So you have a k is outside. If you plug it in, you can see that it's going to be 1. So it's going to be 5 times 2 is 10/3. Right, minus 2/5. Minus, if you plug in 0, both terms will be 0. So you just get that. Right, and this is going to be equal to, so k times, right, common denominator would be 15. So you have 50 minus 3 times 2 is 6. So this is going to be 44 over 15. Right? So times k, of course. Right? But we have to make sure that this is equal to 1. Right? So in order to find k, we just multiply both sides by 15 over 44. So we know that the k is equal to, of course, 15 over 44. Right, so let's type it in. So we get 15 over 44. Right, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.